You have the hiccups, don't you?
Yes.
That's gonna get annoying. I know!
Why are we standing in the hallway?
Just stand here. This isn't working, Jordan. Come with me. So we're gonna stand like this for about 20 seconds.
It's not working.
You don't know that. You haven't hiccuped in a while. Okay, it could work. Yeah, this doesn't work.
Ow! Peanut butter's gonna help me how? That's a rather
I don't know,
large
but it
spoon.
does.
I have to go to.
Eat it. Just eat it. Give me the spoon.
Eat it!
Do you want to get rid of the hiccups or not? Trust me, I'm a genius. Swallow it. Swallow it. It'll work. You are a lost cause.
It didn't work.
Peanut butter didn't work.
No.
Ready for the next test?
Sure.
This time it's gonna work for sure. I'm an expert at getting rid of hiccups. Ask
Yeah.
She knows. It's my life passion.
You're writing a book about it, hey?
Yeah, I am.
Lots of. How's that coming, by the way? How many techniques? 102?
About that.
Approximately. And only one of them actually works.
Yeah. Well, it depends on the person, you know?
Well, you're clearly not an expert at these. How many ways have you tried so far?
Out of my 102, I've tried about. This is number 6. Gargle. That was hard.
This whole
Gargle with more. Come on, do you want to get rid of them or not? Okay, this one's guaranteed to work.
That's what you said about the last 6.
Yeah, but I can guarantee that this one's guaranteed to work. Just take this, hold your breath, and swallow 3 times. Hiccups? No, I meant hiccups gone. Okay, hold your breath. I'm making a volcano. People, little people.
Oh no! Somebody save us! I didn't know what's gonna happen.
Vinegar. It's already been pre-baking sodized.
Oh, I'm scared that it's gonna like go.
Go.
No! Help us! Help us!
Hold your breath.
Help us! Help us! Ah!
No,
You
it's
got
supposed
it
to be
more.
good.
You gotta put more.
Oh, I destroyed it though.
More. But here it comes. Here it comes.
You're supposed to be holding your breath, and you just like poured a river.
No.
Jordan, your hiccups are gone.
I know, and it's because of a volcano.
Whoa!
Yes.
Time, place where we just met you.
Okay, this one's guaranteed to work.
That's what you said about the last one.
Yeah, but this one I guarantee it's guaranteed to work. Swallow this, drink this, and swallow the... No.
Go. Yeah, that didn't work.
I can't stop laughing.
Really? Maybe we should cure you from that! How to get rid of laughing!
Are you
Okay.
ready? So what do you think our thing should be about?
Okay, this one's guaranteed to work.
That's what you said about the last 6.
Yeah, but I guarantee that this one's guaranteed to work.
Straw unicorn. Can you draw a
Just
unicorn?
drink it. Hold your breath, drink some water, and swallow 3 times.
Can't do both. Ella May! What's your name in there?